This is how you play Heart-Shaped Box by Nirvana.
I got a new complaint, forever indebted to your priceless advice. Hey, wait, I got a new complaint.
My guitar is currently tuned into flats, but then I'm going to tune the low string down a full step. It's essentially drop D. Now the first chord is an A chord, and you're going to put your index finger on the second fret of the D and the second fret of the G, and you're not going to strum it, you're actually going to pick those notes. The open A, and then the second fret of the D, and then the second fret of the G. And that's going to be kind of how the whole riff works, is you're going to be picking 3 strings at a time like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ba-da-dum, ba. And then you're going to do this. So what do we do to make that happen? I'm putting my middle finger on the 4th fret right there, and then I'm putting my index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. So it looks like this as I'm playing that riff right there that has, that's the very tail end of every verse in Heart-Shaped Box, is this little.
She has me like a Pisces when I am weak.
So that's gonna be an A, and then you're gonna put your finger on the 1st fret of the low D string like this. It's gonna be the 3rd fret, and then open. So that's the main riff, and then you're gonna put those fingers right there so you can make that sound.
She has me like a Pisces when I am weak.
Now here's what we do for the chorus. Now the chorus of this song is going to be kind of fun because it's the same chords, but you're not going to, pick like that. You're actually going to strum it. You're going to give it 2 hard hits. Now what he's also doing there, don't forget about this, he's strumming, and then he's actually going to take his 4th finger, his ring finger, and he's going to bend this G string on the 4th fret up like that, so that it sounds like this.
Hey, wait, I got a new complaint, forever indebted to your priceless advice. Hey, wait, I got a new complaint, forever indebted to your priceless advice.
So the very end, he goes back to this part.
Your advice.
So he's going back and forth between this chord. This is the 3rd fret of the low D string. But don't forget, what he's doing is he's actually hitting the chord, then doing the bendy right there. And that's how that riff works, is he's finishing it off with another bendy.
Forever indebted to your priceless advice. Hey, wait, I got a new complaint, forever indebted to your priceless advice.
So that is the verse and the chorus of Heart-Shaped Box. We're not going to do the guitar solo, we're just learning the chords here.